always doing weird things.
He back in the pool.
Yeah. You want to turn on the light over top of the... Probably can't see. Now where could Ralph be?
Where is him?
Mm-hmm.
He's not in the bathroom. He's not in
Is it in the bathroom anymore?
No.
Huh. Well, where else could he be?
Look, kids.
What is he doing? You better climb up on this chair and take a peek. What's he up to now?
What's he doing?
It looks like he made a little bed in the oranges and he has marshmallows for pillows. And look, he even found a Christmas orange just his size. It's really little. It looks like he's fallen asleep, maybe. Does he look tired? Yeah. Look, he made a crown out of the paper. It's on his head. He's so silly.
He has a blanket this is size.
Yeah, he does have a blanket just his size. Oh my goodness, Ralph. He's a very resourceful elf.